Morning. As I'm pretty sure everyone is aware by now that Google will be closing the consumer side of Google Plus in August of 2019. Therefore, everybody's scurrying around trying to find new homes and everything. From what I have seen so far, it looks like MeWe is where I will be making my new home as a social network. I've set up a profile, a group, and a page. This is an invitation for you who have been following me on G Plus to join me over there on MeWe. I will, in the details below, there will be a link that you can click to join me on MeWe. Thank you for watching. We hope you follow us over there. It will be a gradual transition. I'll be running in parallel, both on MeWe and on Google Plus until that August 2019 deadline, whatever particular day it may happen to be. Like I said, you're welcome to join us. The page that I have set up over there will serve as a place for the collections that I had. The group will serve as the community presently on Google+. So I'm getting things sorted out. If you want to come help me test, have suggestions, whatever, feel free. The more the merrier. Thanks for watching.